What's up guys, and welcome to a slightly different episode today. I'm gonna call it Let's Draw. So with that, let's draw. So how do I alright, no, didn't mean to click that. So basically I'll be on Photoshop and I don't know what I'm gonna be doing, but definitely god damn it, definitely something. So we have the pencil tool. And what colour should I use? I'm thinking black. Alright, oh, that works. Okay, alright, that's actually, you know, I use the brush tool. Ooh, pretty. Let's use the pad thing. Okay, what should I draw? If I could, alright, I know. Let's go for steady. Keep it straight. That's a good start. Okay, alright, need a little. That's the one. Just bring it in a wee little bit. Little heads up, by the way, guys. I'm a terrible drawer. There's no logic behind why I'm doing this, but you know what? Sometimes you get bored, and there's nothing you'd like to do more than go on Photoshop and draw a knob. So that's the thinking behind it, really. Let's give him a second. You need two. Few little scragglies, and I feel like it kind of needs some. Alright, let's go for big vein. I'll have one of them. Don't know why I'm colouring it, but you know, who wants a white vein? What's that? Dark black vein. No more will I. Alright, let's go make a new ting. Really? I gotta do that again. What did I do? Like 1,000? No. By what was it? 700? I think it was 700. I'm gonna go 700. Alright. Yeah, alright, I know what I do now. Let's go onto. It's always finished uploading. Let's go make a new window. But not a glass window. An internet window. Go on to ye old Google. Alright, Google. Come on, Google. Alright, images. Gonna edit a few images. Because I said I'd do some drawing, but the thing is, about the only thing I can draw is, well, what I just drew. So, a bit late now. Kind of used up all my resources. So let's go kind of thing. Let's go for Miss Tanky. Alright, Miss Tanky. Let's. Howdy ho! Ha! Ha ha! Can I make it bigger? I think I can. Like. And then. Let's give it a mustache and mohawk. That's a terrible mohawk. Make it bigger, 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 bigger. And something's missing. Mr. Hanky needs a friend. No more. No more. You can't do a drawing thing without a thing to make. Miss Tanky. Alright, let's. No more Miss Tanky. Let's. Aha! There's an idea. Good spelling sound. Chuck Norris. Alright, there's a. Need like a full body Chuck Norris pick. Later. Where's my white? I don't care. Alright, new. God damn it, do I have to do the numbers? Piece of shit. Onions sigh. Onions cry. Pie. You might be thinking right now that all I can draw is moustaches and penises. You'd be right. That picture perfectly describes my 5th birthday party. It's too slow. Can I make the rubber bigger? No. Ah, it's almost uploaded. 3 more minutes. What do you know? You can pass the time by drawing knobs on Chuck Norris. Alright, images. Images. Boop, doop, doop, boop, boop, doop. It's pretty small. Can't draw knobs on that. Can't really draw anything on that, it's just tiny. It's terrible that. Let's make it a couple of modifications. Boop. Huh. Pretty pleased with that. You want to save that? No, I'm not going to save it. I'm not going to save it. Never save. Never save it. So there you go. That is. It's almost finished. That's something. And there's my voice. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah. That. There you go. That is what should I call it? Let's draw. Let's draw. The knob edition. Yeah, so there you go, guys. That's the episode of Let's Draw.